Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is August 9th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir Stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir is still dropping, so down 57 cents, 5.8%. Closed at 925. Post-market, we are down by 5 cents. As I said yesterday, one candle does not make a trend. Now we have two. So now we are seeing that things are not super nice. The good thing about this is we seem to be bouncing quite nicely on this $9 support because we have a long wick at the bottom right here. Even though we have a red candle, we came down, but then we came back up. And this is what we can also see on the 1 hour chart. When I go on the 1 hour chart, then I have 8 candles that make up one candle on the daily chart. So the first hour of the day, we had a gap down and then it continued down first hour quite dramatically. Then second hour too, third hour also. And now during the last 4 hours, we have been just above $9. And during the last 2 hours, we started to go back up. We don't have yet stochastic over 60 on the 1 hour charts. There's not much strength in this pullback yet. This means that we cannot count this pullback as significant. There is not enough strength yet to make that conclusion. Maybe tomorrow it's going to gain some strength, but so far we cannot conclude that yet. Coming back on the daily chart, so let's look at our indicators. We had last stochastic over 60, so now stochastic is at 20. We have a crossover bearish of MACD, so the green line crossed the red line. And be sure to take a look at my trading view settings video because I have different color lines that make more sense, I think, than the regular MACD. So if you are using a regular MACD, you might be looking for the blue line and the orange line, which make no sense. This is why I changed their colors for the green and red. So the blue line is now green here and the orange is red. So we have a crossover bearish for MACD. We had RSI below 50. And did we have a breakover bearish for DMI? Yes, we had that also. Indicators are always a little bit late. They are always a little bit late, but sometimes they tell us a different type of information about the stock. I'm going to be doing a video on each of these indicators so that you understand them a little bit better. But basically, it took 2 candles for the indicators to tell us that things have turned around. When a stock moves super fast, of course, the indicators are going to lag more. But when a stock moves in a more normal way, then the indicators are a little bit more useful. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.